Welcome back to PickupGenerator.com. My name is Jason McNamara, the creator of the Pickup Generator plugins for Final Cut Pro. In this video, we are going to present to you the Majesty series of guitars made by Music Man. And as you can see here on screen, when you go into generators on Final Cut Pro and go under the category of Pickup Generator Music Man, if you've purchased any of these, there are 6 options of which you can purchase for the plugins. They include the Majesty 6-string in black, the Majesty 6-string in chrome, the Majesty 6-string in gold, the Majesty 7-string in black, Majesty 7-string in chrome, and Majesty 7-string in gold. Here in front of us now, you can see the options for the Pickup Generator and Brett Effects multi-tool. BrettEffects.com make a fantastic range of plugins for Final Cut Pro editors. We do have another video showing you all about this, which is available on our website, but just for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to turn that off right now, and we'll move over to the inspector here for the generator side of things. Now, our very first 2 selections here are the Pickup Selector, which, as you can see, it changes through your various options that you have there. And same thing with the Piezo toggle, so you can actually have it switched off. You can go into the middle, which does both, and then to the end, which is the Piezo only. And to be able to achieve that, you would also slide this up to number 5. That way you turn off the electric pickups, it's just showing the acoustic pickup. And my best advice is to actually click and type in the number of the position that you want it to be in. So this way we have position 2, which is with the electric guitar on the bridge pickup. The Piezo pickup is also switched on at the same time. It's the best way to navigate this to make it work. You can also adjust the volume control level of the electric guitar. Same thing with the push-pull on there. You can turn that on and off here with the slider. You can also use keyframes to do all of that. You have an opacity slider to turn it on and off. Same thing with the tone pot. You can move that. You can also turn the tone pot on for reference to the push-push whenever you wish to. You also have an opacity slider for that as well. With the Piezo, the level will also not only turn itself down, but will also turn the Piezo's sensors on and off as well. And you can see that they are dimming there, which is a cool little feature. And you can also turn the opacity for that one on and off as well. Then lastly, there is an opacity slider for the pickup switch and an opacity slider for the Piezo switch. Now, to get you going with the demonstration, what I will be doing is I'll be leaving the generator up here so that you can see all the changes that are made as we're going. And my friend who's going to introduce himself here will do the demonstration on the Majesty guitar for you.
Hi, this is Jacob from Buffalo Music and Guitars. And today, while we have it in the shop, we're going to take a look at an Ernie Ball Music Man, John Petrucci signature Majesty guitar. Now, when you're looking at a guitar that has as many features and functions as this one does, it's really helpful when we have a video layover like this one. It's going to help us take a clearer, in-depth look at the different features and options of this instrument. Currently, we have our pickup selector set to our bridge pickup, the Dreamcatcher, wired in series. When we move to the middle position, we use both humbuckers wired in parallel. When we move to our up position here, we're using just our neck pickup, the Rainmaker, wired in series. This is the master volume control. This is the master tone control for the electronic side of the guitar. This is the master volume control for the Piezo acoustic system. This switch allows us to change between electric guitar, electric and acoustic Piezo mix, and just our Piezo acoustic guitar. Now, playing just the bridge pickup with the electric guitar by itself. Moving into the middle position, using both humbuckers wired in parallel. Changing to our neck pickup, the Rainmaker, wired in series. Changing back to the bridge pickup here. With the volume control hidden in here, we have an up to 20 decibel boost accessible via push-push control, just like that. So you can hear the difference with the boost and without the boost. So we're going to put that boost away here, and we're going to move to the middle position. And instead of using both humbuckers and their full capacity hidden inside of our tone control, we have a coil tap also accessible via push-push control. This allows us to use just the inside coils of our humbuckers for a bit more of a stratty, twangy sound. We'll play that with the clean setting. You can hear it even more. Put that back in for both humbuckers at full capacity here. All right, back to our gain setting. We're going to move our control to the bridge position again and come up here to our piezo control. Now currently we have our guitar set so we're only hearing the electric signal. When I move this three-way switch into the up position, we're now hearing just the acoustic signal. Now, when we move this control into the middle position, we're going to hear both the electric and the acoustic signal at the same time. We're going to move our electric signal to a clean setting, and we're still going to play both the acoustic and electric guitar at the same time. Let's turn the electric volume down a little bit. Hear that acoustic signal stay constant and hear that electric signal fade in and out. And then we're going to do the opposite here. We're going to keep an electric signal on while we fade the acoustic guitar in and out there.
I hope you enjoyed our presentation of how you can make the most of showing off your Majesty guitar with our pickupgenerator.com plugin. Should you have any further inquiries, or even if you've changed pickups in your guitar and you want to get a plugin custom built for you, we are available through support@pickupgenerator.com. Can't tell you how excited I am to see the creations that you guys all come up with on your guitar videos. Thanks for watching.